Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can turn on your ads blocker on Brave browser. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. You can use this Brave browser in order to browse anything. You can even set it as your default browser, and this actually helps you block any kind of unnecessary ad that you can get while browsing. So open your Brave browser first. So after opening the Brave browser, now tap on the search bar on the bottom right here and start typing anything that you want to browse. And like this, you can see I have browsed something in here. So in order to turn on the ads blocker on here, tap on this logo that you can see on the bottom right here. And after tapping on this logo here, you can see this will pop up, and this is the Brave Shield, which is currently disabled. Tap on this toggle button in order to enable this. Just like this, you can see the ad blocker is now enabled, and you can even see there is 2 ads and all the creepy things that has been blocked. And just like this, you have now successfully turned on your ads blocker on Brave browser. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.